Need to fix the Dxva2 module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before we get started with Dxva2 module, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This DLL file is the DirectX Video Acceleration 2.0 library. It provides a standard interface for hardware-accelerated video processing, allowing the GPU to handle video decoding tasks to reduce CPU load and improve playback quality. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like the Dxva2 module DLL and restore stability. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Dxva2 module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of the Dxva2 module DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including complex, the Dxva2 module dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.